So the next question is to find the inverse of 3 minus 2, 3, 2, 1 minus 1, 4 minus 3, 2. So I have written that matrix equal to identity matrix into A. So I am going to do the transformation. R1 changes to R1 minus R2. So as to make this element 1. So R2 remains the same, 2, 1 minus 1. R3 remains the same, 4 minus 3, 2 is equal to, on the right side also 0, 1, 0, second row, and the third row remains the same. First row, what's the difference? R1 minus R2. So 3 minus 2 gives you 1, minus 2 minus 1 gives you minus 3, and 3 minus minus 1 gives you 4. On the right side, 1 minus 0 gives you 1, 0 minus 1 gives you minus 1, and 0 minus 0 gives you 0. The next step is to make this element 2 to 0. So the change is, transformation is, R2 changes to R2 minus 2 R1. Again we have to change this 4 also. So first we will go with the R2. First row remains the same, 1 minus 3, 4, 1 minus 1, 0 into A. R2 has the change. What is the change? R2 minus 2 R1. So 2 minus 1 into 2 gives you 0. The next term 1 minus 2 into minus 3, that is 1 plus 6 gives you 7. And here minus 1 minus 2 into 4. Okay, so minus 1 minus 8, which gives you minus 9. On the right side, 0 minus 2 into 1, that is minus 2. 1 minus 2 into minus 1, that is 1 plus 2, which gives you 3. 0 and 0, no change, it's 0. Third row, what's the change? We need to make this 4 to 0. That means the transformation is R4 changes to R4 minus 4 R1. So 4 minus 4 gives you 0. Minus 3 minus 4 into minus 3. So minus 4 into minus 3 will give you plus 12. 3 plus 12 gives you 9. And this element 2 minus 4 into 4. 4 into 4 gives you 16. 2 minus 16 gives you minus 14. On the right side, 0 minus 4 into 1 gives you minus 4. 0 minus 4 into minus 1 gives you 4. And 1 minus 0 gives you 1. And again what we have to do is we have to make this element 1. So R2 changes to R2 divided by 7. So what we get is first row remains the same. Second row 1, 0, 1, 9, minus 9 by 7. Third row also 0, 9, minus 14 remains the same. Is equal to right side 1 minus 1, 0 is the same. R2 becomes minus 2 by 7. 3 by 7, 0. R3 remains the same, minus 4. 4, 1 into A. Again what we have to do is we have to make this 9, 0 and minus 3, 0. So we will change R1. R1 changes to R1 plus 3 R2. So what we get is second row remains the same, minus 9 by 7. Here also second row remains the same, minus 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 0, A. So R1 plus 3 R2, this one will not change. This becomes 0. Why? Because that is how we apply the transformation. What about this element? 4 plus 3 into minus 9 by 7. So 7 4's 28. 28 minus 27 by 7. That gives you the value 1 by 7. Again on the right side, 1 plus 3 into this term, minus 2 by 7. So 7 into 1 is 7. 7 minus 6 by 7. 7 minus 6 is 1. 1 by 7. Again this term, what will be that value? Minus 1 plus 3 into 3 by 7. So 7 into minus 1 is minus 7. Minus 7 plus 9 by 7, which gives you 2 by 7. And this term has no change, it is 0. Again, we have to make this 9, 0. So what will be the transformation? R3 changes to R3 minus 9 R2. So it is 0. Again it is 0. That is how we made the transformation. What about the last element? Last element is minus 14 minus 9 into R2 is minus 9 by 7. Okay, so 14 into 7. 7 2's 28, 98 minus 98 plus 81 by 7. Okay, minus 98 plus 81 will give you minus 17. So this is minus 17 by 7. And on the right side also we have to change the each element, isn't it? So minus 4 minus 9 into minus 2 by 7. So 7 4's 28, that is minus 28 plus 18. Minus 28 plus 18 gives you minus 10 by 7. Next element 4 minus 9 into this element 3 by 7. So 7 4 is 28. 28 minus 27 by 7. 28 minus 27 is 1. 1 by 7. This is 1 and no change here because it's 0. 9 into 0 gives you 0. So it is 1. So we are getting the element like this. Again, what's the next step we have to take? We have to make this element, third row, third element of 1. So what we can do is divide throughout the third row with the minus 17 by 7. So the transformation becomes R3 changes to R3 by minus 17 by 7. It is enough to change to multiply R3 with the minus 7 by 17. That will be the easy calculation. Okay. Again, so we will be writing the first and second row as such. Here when we multiply with minus 7 by 17, it becomes 1. So the left side matrix is 1, 0, 1 by 7, 0, 1 minus 9 by 7, 0, 0, 1 is equal to right side. First row 1 by 7, no change, 2 by 7, 0 into A is there. Second row minus 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 0, no change. Again, what about the third row? Minus 10 by 7 into 7 by 17 gives you minus 10 by 17. It becomes plus 10 by 17. Again here, 1 by 7 into minus 7 by 17. 7 gets cancelled, giving you minus 1 by 17. And the last element, 1 into minus 7 by 17 gives you minus 7 by 17. Okay, again what we have to do? We have to make minus 9 by 7, 0 and 1 by 7, 0. So R1 changes to R1 plus 9 by 7. R2 changes to R2 plus 9 by 7, R3. So R3, we are not changing, 0, 0, 1. And on the right side also it is 10 by 17 minus 1 by 17 minus 7 by 17 into A. What does it change for R2? R2 changes to 9 by 7 into R3, isn't it? So here it is 0, 1. This becomes 0. Why? Because we got the transformation like that. So 0. And on the right side, do the calculation. This term I am doing minus 2 by 7 in plus 9 by 7 into 10 by 17. This term. Minus 2 by 7 plus 9 by 7 into 10 by 17. So if I calculate, the denominator LCM will be 7 into 17. I have to multiply minus 2 into 17 will give you minus 34 plus 90 by 7 into 17. 90 minus 34 is 56 by 7 into 17. 7 into 8 gives you 56. So we are getting the value as 8 by 17. So second row first element is 8 by 17. The next thing, how we will get 3 by 7 plus 9 by 7 into minus 1 by 17. Okay, so here also the LCM will be 7 into 17. We have to multiply 17 into 3. 17 into 3. 3 into 7 is 21. 2. So 3 into 1 is 3 plus 2, 51. Minus 9 by, minus 9 by 7 into 17. 51 minus 9 is 42 by 7 into 17. This get cancelled. 6, 6, 36, 7, 6, 42. So you are getting the second term as 6 by 17. So here it is 6 by 17. And the third element 0 minus 7 by 17 into 9 by 7. So 7 gets cancelled, giving you minus 9 by 17. So second row is okay, isn't it? What about the first row? Transformation is there. So R1 changes to R1 minus 1 by 7 R3. We have to make this element 0. So we are getting 1, 0, 0. And on the right side we have to do the transformation. So what will be the transformation for the first element? 1 by 7 minus 1 by 7 into 1 by 7 minus 1 by 7 into minus 2 by 7. Sorry, it is R3. Sorry. 1 by 7 minus 1 by 7 into 10 by 17. We have to take the R3. I took R2. So 1 by 17. So again LCM is 7 into 17. 17 into 1 is 17 minus 10. So again we are getting 7 by 7 into 17. Gets cancelled, giving you 1 by 17. So the first term is 1 by 17. Okay, again the next element, 2 by 17 minus 1 by 7 into minus 1 by 17. 2 by 7 minus 1 by 7 into minus 1 by 17. Here also the LCM means the denominator will be 7 into 17. Already 17 is there. So just multiply with the 7. 7 into 2 is 14. 14 plus 1 will give you 15. Sorry, it is 2 by 7. Sorry. 7 into 17. Okay. So when taking the LCM, it's 7. This is also 7. So 17 into 2 gives you 34. 34 plus 1. So we are getting 35 by 7 into 17. So 7 5 is 35 and we are getting the value 5 by 17. So this term is 5 by 17. And the last one is 0 minus 1 by 7 into minus 7 by 17. So what happens? 7 get cancelled, giving you 1 by 17. So this value is 1 by 17. Now we got identity matrix equal to sum matrix into A. That means inverse will be this matrix: 1 by 17, 5 by 17, 1 by 17, 8 by 17, 6 by 17, minus 9 by 17, 10 by 17, minus 1 by 17 and minus 7 by 17. If needed, you can take 1 by 17 outside and write the matrix as 1 by 17 into 1, 5, 1, 8, 6, minus 9, 10, minus 1, minus 7.